You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. In today's episode, we're diving into the critical aspects of international moves. Storage services. Perhaps you're leaving LA or San Francisco and relocating to London, Paris, or maybe even Greece. Having a reliable storage solution can make a difference. The team from SDC International Shipping offers top-notch storage and moving services tailored to meet your needs. Let's start with a common scenario. Suppose you need to move from San Francisco to London in the United Kingdom within a month, but you haven't secured a new house yet. Moving can be stressful enough without the added pressure of having nowhere to send your belongings. And this is where SDC International Shipping steps in. At SDC International Shipping, we understand the complexities and uncertainties of international relocations. Suppose you're not ready to move into your new home immediately, and in that case, our international movers will pack your items and transport them to our secure storage facilities instead of a shipping port. SDC wants to make everything as convenient as possible. So what happens when the client is ready to move into their new home? When that time comes, all you need to do is call us. We'll arrange for your possessions to be shipped directly to your new address, and we will ensure a seamless transition. Now, let's talk about the cost. The cost of storage services can vary based on the duration and the volume of items you need to store. At SDC International Shipping, we offer economical long-term and short-term storage plans. We provide free estimates and consultations to help you find the most affordable storage solution tailored to your needs. Let's look at the types of storage services SDC offers. First, storage during transit. If you need temporary storage at your destination before moving into your new home, we can store your items at our warehouse facility for a short period. This service includes loading your items into a container, keeping household goods in their original boxes, and covering furniture with soft coverings to protect them from dust and dirt. Second is storing in the U.S. You can arrange for your items to be stored at their place of origin in the U.S. and delivered when you're ready. Our facility includes temperature-controlled options for an additional cost. Security is always a concern when storing valuable items. SDC International Shipping ensures the safety and security of stored belongings. Safety and security are our top priorities. Our storage facilities are fully licensed, bonded, and secured with climate control to protect your items from fire and water damage. We have 24/7 state-of-the-art surveillance, on-call inspections, and security patrols. Our facilities are also OSHA compliant, ensuring the highest standards of safety. SDC also offers several add-on services that include 1. Packing, professional packing services to ensure your items are secured for storage. 2. Marine insurance and international moving insurance. This covers potential risks during transit and storage. 3. Help with customs documentation. We will assist you with the paperwork needed for international moves. And 4. Door-to-door delivery. We offer complete service from your old home to your new one. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you have found this valuable information on international storage services helpful. If you're planning an international move and you need secure, reliable storage solutions, SDC International Shipping has you covered. SDC is located in LA and ready to help you today. Call them today to take advantage of their top-notch storage facilities and comprehensive moving services. Remember, moving can be stressful, but with the right help, it doesn't have to be. Until next time, safe travels and happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.